The 2025-2026 Ford Transit Custom MSRT has arrived, and it's not just a van, it's a revolution on wheels. Designed for those who demand performance, style, and exclusivity, this machine stands proudly in the MSRT Performance Showroom, surrounded by a high-end ambiance that matches its bold character. With its aggressive rally-inspired body kit, sculpted aerodynamics, and MSRT signature alloy wheels, this Transit Custom is built to command attention. Every curve, every line, every detail is engineered for maximum impact. The bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and muscular stance create a presence that refuses to be ignored. This isn't just a commercial vehicle, it's a high-performance statement. Step closer, and the details speak for themselves. Flared wheel arches, a rear spoiler, and an MSRT-tuned exhaust system make it clear, this van isn't here to blend in. It's built to stand out. Open the door, and you enter a world of premium craftsmanship. The MSRT sports seats, wrapped in luxurious leather and suede, provide the perfect balance of comfort and support. The signature blue stitching adds a touch of motorsport heritage, reminding you that this van is inspired by the racetrack. Technology meets innovation with a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster and the latest Sync 4 infotainment system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, real-time navigation, it's all here, seamlessly integrated for an effortless driving experience. And with a premium B&O sound system, every journey is accompanied by crystal-clear audio. Under the hood, the 2.0-liter EcoBlue diesel engine roars with 210 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, delivering thrilling acceleration and effortless power. The 8-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts, while the MSRT-tuned suspension provides razor-sharp handling and an exhilarating drive. Whether you're carving through city streets or taking on the open road, the Transit Custom MSRT is built to perform. But power is nothing without control. That's why this beast is loaded with advanced safety features, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Confidence comes standard, and then there's the setting. The MSRT Performance Showroom is more than just a dealership, it's a sanctuary of speed, style, and precision. The bright LED spotlights, polished reflective floors, and sleek glass walls create a space that highlights the sheer beauty of this machine. The MSRT and Ford Performance logos serve as a reminder. This isn't just another van, it's part of an elite legacy. And the price for all this power, performance, and prestige? Starting at just $59,995, the 2025-2026 Ford Transit Custom MSRT delivers a driving experience unlike any other. This is more than a commercial vehicle. It's a statement, a masterpiece, a machine built for those who refuse to settle. If you want to own the road with power, style, and exclusivity, the MSRT Transit Custom is waiting for you.